Welcome back to Drive Future, the channel where we bring you the most exciting upcoming cars from around the world. And today we are diving into a name that has been revived with a bold, futuristic twist, the brand new 2026 Plymouth Scamp. For many car enthusiasts, the name Plymouth Scamp brings back memories of a compact, affordable classic from the 1970s, but this rebirth is nothing like the past. The 2026 Scamp has been reimagined as a high-performance, ultra-modern machine that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and a level of luxury that positions it as a serious competitor in the future car market. Let's explore every detail of this bold new creation and see why it is capturing the attention of enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. Asterisk. The first thing that strikes you about the new Plymouth Scamp is its design. Plymouth has gone all in with a futuristic and ultra-aggressive approach, giving the car one of the widest body kits ever imagined. The right side front profile is unlike anything on the road, with dramatically exaggerated fender flares that extend outward to a surreal width, giving the Scamp a menacing and commanding stance. These flares integrate seamlessly into enormous, sharp-edged air intakes and aerodynamic canards that scream high-tech performance. The front fascia is bold and muscular, with the Plymouth logo proudly displayed and a sleek license plate area that reads Scamp, ensuring the model name is unmistakable. The overall look blends muscular American car heritage with futuristic supercar aggression, a design language that will undoubtedly stand out in any showroom or on any street. Asterisk. Moving to the finer details. The 2026 Scamp features an exterior finished in a polished, shiny black paint that reflects light beautifully under showroom lighting. This glossy, deep black highlights the car's curves and sharp lines, making every design feature pop with precision. The styling cues emphasize both luxury and sportiness, from the sharp aerodynamic enhancements to the enormous alloy wheels. These wheels come with intricate multi-spoke designs, wrapped in rugged yet performance-focused tires, giving the Scamp not only visual dominance but also the ability to handle extreme performance demands. The windows are tinted to enhance the sleek look and give the car an air of mystery, while the rear showcases attractive, stylish red taillights that remain illuminated with a bold presence. Dual exhaust outlets sit prominently at the back, giving a heavy-duty performance appearance that matches the car's ambitious engineering. Asterisk. Step inside, and the 2026 Plymouth Scamp transforms into an ultra-luxurious high-tech lounge. The interior is where the real magic happens, blending futuristic technology with refined comfort. Black leather upholstery with diamond stitching covers the sporty bucket seats, delivering both elegance and support for spirited driving. The centerpiece of the interior is a wide, curved digital dashboard that spans the cockpit, integrating holographic projections for navigation, performance data, and entertainment. This display adapts to the driver's needs, ensuring that every bit of information is available in a sleek, futuristic format. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom sporty design, featuring the Plymouth logo at its core and accented by brushed metal controls for a premium feel. Asterisk. The center console is just as impressive, featuring a crystal gear selector that glows subtly, with embedded lighting, touch-sensitive climate controls, and storage spaces hidden beneath smooth surfaces. Every aspect of the design feels meticulously crafted to give the cabin a futuristic and exclusive atmosphere. Ambient LED lighting flows through the cabin, glowing in red accents that complement the exterior taillights, while a panoramic glass roof with tinted panels opens the cabin to light without sacrificing privacy. Luxury and sport come together through polished carbon fiber trim, chrome highlights, and illuminated Scamp nameplates on the doors. Details that remind you that this isn't just another car, but a revival of a legendary name in the most modern way possible. Asterisk. Performance is at the heart of the new Scamp, and while Plymouth has not revealed every technical detail yet, reports suggest that this car will be powered by a highly advanced twin-engine setup, delivering both efficiency and breathtaking power. The heavy-duty exhaust system and rugged tires suggest that the Scamp will deliver serious performance on both straight roads and sharp corners, making it not just a showpiece but a driver's dream. The engineering team has focused on aerodynamics and stability, ensuring that the widened stance is not just for looks but for real performance benefits, keeping the car planted at high speeds while allowing maximum airflow for cooling. The 2026 Plymouth Scamp is more than just a revival of an old name. It represents the evolution of American muscle into the future, taking the aggressive spirit of classic Plymouth models and infusing it with luxury, technology, and design language that belongs to tomorrow. It appeals to those who love performance and aggressive styling but also crave comfort, technology, and exclusivity. With its surreal wide-body stance, futuristic interior, and high-performance promise, the Scamp is not just another car entering the market. It is a bold statement that Plymouth is back and ready to challenge the future of performance and luxury cars. Here at Drive Future, we are excited to see how this vehicle develops as it heads toward production and whether it will become the icon Plymouth hopes it to be. The 2026 Plymouth Scamp takes everything enthusiasts dream about: aggressive looks, luxurious interiors, futuristic tech, and raw performance, and delivers it in one of the boldest packages we've seen in years. Stay tuned, because this is one car that is bound to turn heads and make history.